Hello guys, in this video we will talk about why perpetual motion exists. With the help of Newton's law of motion and Einstein's theory of relativity, I'll explain why this is happening in our daily lives. First, we will talk about perpetual motion itself. It refers to the hypothetical concept of a machine or system that, once started, continues to operate indefinitely without energy input, violating the laws of thermodynamics. Let's discuss the concept of nothing. How can something come from nothing? Does nothing truly exist? Let's delve into the world of physics. We can illustrate nothing with a simple symbol zero. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. So in this case, let's consider object A is at 0 km per hour. But the question here is, what is object A is at rest in relation to? Let's assume object A is at rest with respect to object B. If object A is at rest in relation to object B, then we can conclude that both are moving at 0 km per hour with respect to each other. If we disregard the presence of any other matter that might affect their speed comparison, object A and object B can continue to conclude that they are not moving at all forever, unless we introduce object C into the scenario. In our case too, from the perspective of object C, object A and object B are moving away from it at the same speed of 2 km per hour relative to object C. How ironic and fascinating that object A and object B remain unaware of their movement because they aren't getting closer or farther apart over time, while at the same time, they are moving 2 km per hour away from object C over time. These scenarios would continue to exist if no external forces are acting on them. So, as well, both matter and light can exhibit uniform motion, meaning they move at a constant speed in a straight line in the absence of external forces. In classical mechanics, the speed of matter is relative. This means its velocity depends on the frame of reference of the observer. However, according to Einstein's theory of special relativity, the speed of light in vacuum is absolute and constant, approximately 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second, regardless of the motion of the source or the observer. Let's delve deep down on how gravity is understood in Einstein's general theory of relativity. It contrasts with the Newtonian view of gravity and provides a deeper explanation of gravitational phenomena. Let's break it down and elaborate. According to Newton's first law, an object in uniform motion will continue in moving in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted upon by an external force. For example, the gravity. For him, gravity is a force. However, according to Einstein's general theory of relativity, gravity is not a force in the traditional sense. Instead, it is the result of the curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. Massive objects like the Earth warp the fabric of space-time around them. This curvature affects the motion of other objects. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Hello guys, in this video we will talk about why perpetual motion exists. With the help of Newton's law of motion and Einstein's theory of relativity, I'll explain why this is happening in our daily lives. First, we will talk about perpetual motion itself.